Good morning, everybody. Thanks for your attendance in our meeting today. The first one, I would like to introduce everybody here. Zidimita Hai, he is organizer. And Zidimita Lau, he is secretary. And I'm Viet, I'm the chairperson here. Now, I would like to go ahead the main point of our meeting today. After so many days, I consider to choose a company which will make a promotional video. I decided to choose Apollo Training English Center for our plan. I choose Apollo Center because of several reasons. So first, Apollo is one of the best English center in Vietnam, and they is one of English center which have run longest in Vietnam. And moreover, they have gotten a lot of achievement in training and education. But the problem is, in Vietnam, we having a lot of English center. When students and their parents take part in a course, an English course, they always consider about the quality of English center. So, can you give me some ideas on how can we make the video, a promotional video for Apollo? But the most important, I want to focus on the quality of Apollo Center. Alright?
So I think it's a very good idea. So let me show you some information about Apollo. Because I've done once English course in the center. Here is some information about Apollo. So you guys take a look.
It's good. It's very good. So now we will discuss about the plan to make the video for Apollo. Alright? I think that we should have three parts in our video. In the first part, Midnam will talk about the background information of Apollo. And in the second part, I will talk about the courses in Apollo, such as how can a student can study there and what's benefits after they finish the course. And in the final part, Mr. Ha will talk about the achievements and the future plan of Apollo. Right?
I think that in the final part of Mr. Hai, we should have a short interview with students in the classroom to make sure that they are enjoyable in their class and we can show people about educational quality in Apollo.
Very good. I will do it in my part. It's a very good idea.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good idea. I like secretary idea because if we do like that, people can understand more about the quality of Apollo Center. How about organizer?
So firstly, secretary should send an email to the manager of Apollo to make sure that they allow us to record the video there on Tuesday this week. And we will record the video in Apollo Neighborhood Hills campus.
And the more importantly, after we have done the video, we have to post the video on the YouTube to get viewers.
So we can record the video after 5 p.m. because in that time has many students. So we can easy to make a short interview to students and we can see how students study in the class.
Okay, that sound is very nice.
So to finish our meeting today, I would like to summarize our plans. First of all, we will send a request email to Apollo manager to make sure that we can record video in Neighborhood Hills after 5 p.m. on Tuesday this week. Secondly, we will do work that each pupil receive. And finally, we will post the video on the YouTube after we have done it.
Okay, it's good.
So great.
Yeah. Thanks for your attendance in our meeting. And we will be there at 5 p.m. on Tuesday. See you guys there.